We are going to Angeles Bakery. Georgi already better today. 1 week he staying home. Oh, so many people. So many people inside. I don't know, don't have space for seat. Oh, really so many. Outside is better, yes.
Hello. I was sick. I was in my apartment because there was a problem with sinusitis. I have a deviated nasal septum in my nose, and that's why often I have a problem when I go to bar. And previous week with wet t-shirt. There are many fans, and I got sick. now I'm better, but not sure fully recovered. Yes, but I want to eat meat because I stay in my apartment and don't eat meat more than 1 week. I was forced to be a vegetarian, so I want to eat meat. Thank you.
Price, please. Same, yes?
No,
or
sir.
Different?
This is my name.
Yes. With your name, yes? Okay, okay. Okay, explain about this car. It's car from China, yes?
Yes, sir. It's from China.
How much this is?
1.3, sir.
1.3 million.
Yes, sir.
how many gas need for 100 kilometers? You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Automatic transmission or CVT?
Yes, sir.
CVT.
Dual clutch transmission.
Okay. Same car don't have electric.
No, sir, it's not yet.
Only gas. Okay, thank you. I will show your name.
Thank you, sir.
What your name?
Roma.
Roma. Good name. Thank you for information. Roma.
Hi, sir. Would that be fine if I can get your name and number?
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's ItsMyLifePhilippines. It's Sunday night, so we're here in our place. So Mr. Georgie and Mr. from Dubai go here in our place to see the carnival here in Mabalacat. So let's go.
Georgie also going to Carnival.
So guys, we're here already in Carnival. So as you can see, I have so many people right now because it's Sunday. Most of the family, they go here to make some fun. Take a look.
Bilis sa karton, hawak sa inyo, unang bola na po. Maraming para sa ating panibula, bola, pagbulat na bola na letra ng B14. Line ng B ang bola, number 14. Numero 14.
You need to put some ring.
Number 14.
Ring. 5 pieces so that, example, you put 20 pesos and then you need to put in the ring inside the
Sumunod na
bottle.
bola sa I. Letra ng I, 18. Number 18, bola po sa I, numero 18. Lahat 18 na, uling bola, letra ng I.
It's also 5 pesos you need to put there and then it's like, I don't know.
Letra ng G, 52.
It's like balloon. They will put there and then if some, or if it's example yellow, if it's yellow, you're gonna win. It's depend on the balloon.
Guys, sa ng ball. Letra ng B naman, number 12. Yan sa B ang bola.
This is
Number 12, huling bola tinawag sa B.
it's 5 card, 6 card.
Guys, sa bola, letra ng A naman. Sa O, 72. Right, 72 na, huling bola. Letra ng O, 72.
You want to play?
Tumahan sa G. Line of naman, 5-4. Kung tumahan kayo naman, huling bola mo, line of G, 5-4.
Shaira win?
Maray dapat may magagi.
Ay?
Maray sa ngayon, isang pa, ulit na ay, 21.
Georgi, do you like this one?
21, bola sa ay, 21.
You never tried before?
No.
Really? No, it's Filipino food's very popular.
Sabay-sabay yan.
This is
Yan,
column.
kita nyo, sabi.
What is?
Column.
Yes.
Sabi, number
It's stomach.
1.
Oh, you can try.
Number 1 po yung bola, wala yung sa extension.
Many Filipino people like this one.
Ating karton.
Hi guys, we've been already in Carnival and sorry if we cannot take some video more because it's confidential and so many people there. Yeah, it's not easy to take some video because it's playing with money there and so noisy also. So thank you for watching. Salamat and please subscribe and like. Salamat.